A giant asteroid is expected to strike in the Gulf of Mexico within the next 30 minutes. NASA has stated that this asteroid has a height of 160 inches, 220 inches wide, and weighs up to 840 pounds. Be prepared for impact if an earthquake occurs for when the asteroid hits.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States Geological Survey. An earthquake warning is in effect for all of southeastern Texas. A magnitude 8.4 earthquake will impact all of the southern Texas region within the next 20 to 25 minutes. The National Guard and the military has responded and is helping people evacuate to those who live closer. If you don't feel like evacuating, be prepared to take the proper actions for when the earthquake occurs. If indoors, take cover under a piece of sturdy furniture and stay away from windows, doors and exterior walls. If you are outdoors, move away from any buildings, lights and utility poles. If in a vehicle, stop in open area away from buildings, trees and overpasses. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets for more updates on this situation.
The Pacific Warning Center has issued a Tsunami Watch for parts of southeastern Texas. A magnitude 8.4 earthquake struck in the Gulf of Mexico 30 miles off of land. It is unknown at this time whether a tsunami could develop or not. If a tsunami does impact the southeastern Texas Gulf region, there could be a small or slight chance that the tsunami could be a big formation based on future wave information. This watch may be upgraded to a warning if a tsunami develops. Stay tuned to your local news and television outlets for more updates. Following message is transmitted at the request of the Texas Emergency Management officials. At 8:45 a.m. Central Daylight Time, a magnitude 8.4 earthquake struck in the Gulf of Mexico 30 miles off of land due to a giant asteroid that struck 30 miles from land in the Gulf around 8:35 a.m. A tsunami is now forming 28 miles off of land. This dangerous tsunami has known to be very tall and will move very rapidly. This tsunami will reach the southeastern Texas coastal areas between 9:45 and 10 a.m. Now is the time to evacuate far away from the water and move to higher ground now. Follow all designated evacuation routes which will lead you to higher ground. Please proceed in a quick and orderly fashion. Do not use any emergency lines at this time. Leave the lines open for emergency use only. Tune to your local news, radio and television outlets for further information. Do not return to coastal areas until the all clear is given by officials or local authorities.